A Pepe coin secret whale moving millions of dollars of Pepe. And Pepe is looking like it's getting ready to see a larger move. We got to talk about this, guys. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Hit that bell. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. So whale grabs 506 billion Pepe. Is a price explosion near? So let's talk about this, right? So let's read this article from TradingView. Deep pockets, big appetite. A major player in the cryptocurrency world has moved a lot of Pepe coins. According to reports, this whale, known as KeenBaidu.eth, took out 506 billion Pepe coins from the Binance exchange on March 26, 2025. Big appetite. That's a lot of coins, worth about 4.4 million. This isn't the first time this particular whale has played with Pepe. They previously made a good chunk of money, around 7.34 million, trading this meme coin. Okay? Big whales are moving money around, guys, for Pepe. Does this mean that we're getting ready to see a larger move? I'm going to talk about the technicals and the fundamentals here for Pepe and give you guys my opinion on where I think this market is headed for basically the rest of 2025, because I think that we should be expecting bigger moves to play out here. So looking at Pepe right now, in the short term right now, just from looking at this on the daily time frame, we are breaking below an important price level. This yellow line, this bullish trend line, all right? We had bull trap, and now it's looking like another bull trap is playing out right now. And I do expect that we can come all the way down to maybe even 5070583. That would be kind of my line in the sand for me to say that the bullish structure is still in line. If we break below that level, like right about here, then I would say, hey guys, we should be paying attention to see what's going on with the traditional market and Bitcoin and what it's going to do to Pepe, and is it going to bring us further down for some more downside before inevitably bigger moves. I do think that the summertime for crypto is notoriously a bad time. Like July and June usually is a bad time to be in crypto. It underperforms. A lot of the big money is away on vacation. You know the famous saying, sell in May, walk away. Doesn't mean that the big drawdown doesn't have to happen exactly in May. It could happen in June or July, but notoriously the summertime is quite slow for crypto. So I do think there's a world where we break down a little bit here and really start to set up, and we should be waiting for a breakout to be setting up for Q4 2025, around September, October, November. Around that time is when I think that, okay, if you line it up with where Bitcoin's at in the 4-year cycle, that's when we should be expecting further moves to the upside, guys. Now, if you do want to take advantage of this volatility, check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin. All you get is click that link, deposit, trail a bit. You get a bunch of free money, guys. You can make money when the market is selling. You do not only need to make money when the market's going up. That's why you need to. I personally, guys, I like to trade altcoins. I like to trade meme coins like Pepe. I'm not really a long-term holder. I'm not a long-term investor, I should say, because I will hold Pepe for a significant amount of time. Like, I'm a swing trader at heart when it comes to crypto. So I will hold it. I'll buy in the bear market, hold it for multi-year, and then start to sell as it goes up. But as right now, guys, I think that we're probably in for a little bit of some sell pressure here. If you want to measure this right now, we're already down about from this big exciting move to the upside to where we are now. We are down about 17%. So that's a big drawdown. And if you were to do a position on that's 17%. If you're using leverage as well, you could make a couple X on your money on that drawdown. Now, I'm not saying that everyone should use leverage, but I am saying that there is there is a place and a time to leverage trade to profit, all right? So looking at Pepe, we're at rank 28 right now, down about 9.29% in the past 7 days and down about 4.5% in the past 24 hours. But guys, you look at the entire market right now, and granted, it's the weekend, okay? It is the weekend. Weekend price action, low volume, thin order books, especially when we're not in an overall rally on Bitcoin. The weekends are quiet and easily manipulatable by market makers. You need to be very careful trading on the weekends, guys. So looking at Pepe, we're at $3.42 billion market cap right now. Guys, I am a Pepe bull, all right? Like, out of all the meme coins out there, I think that Pepe has the best staying power. It is Pepe the frog, guys. Unless, like, Pepe the meme gets forgotten or blacklisted in some obtuse way, which I don't see happening for at least my generation and the couple generations beneath me. Everyone knows what Pepe the Frog is. I don't see it going anywhere. I think this is going to really prove the test of time and probably see a 10x, especially if we see Bitcoin making its way to $200,000 Bitcoin, which a lot of people are expecting to play out into the end of 2025. A $200,000 Bitcoin, guys, a 10x on Pepe, bringing us to 34 billion, I think is possible. If we can come to, like I said, if Bitcoin doubles, you're talking about, we're sitting at basically a $2 trillion market cap for Bitcoin. If we go to a $4 trillion market cap, you bet your bottom dollar that there is going to be a lot of money flowing down into these coins, and people are going to get greedy again, guys. It's the tale as old as time. You're not going to get rid of these meme coins going to the moon, dumping 90%, and then going back to the moon, and then dumping 90%, because you're not going to get rid of greed, guys. It's as simple as that. So looking at the overall market, Bitcoin is trading at $95,700. It's okay there. I'm fine with that. I just don't really want to see us closing below like 94,400. Anything below that, I'm going to say, okay, we need to be on lower high watch, okay? But at the same time, guys, I am expecting a rally here into the end of 2025. But until then, I think the summer might be a little dull. It might sell off a little bit. So we need to be paying very close attention to what's going on in this market and don't get shaken out, because I think there's going to be a couple more shakeouts, even though I know it's been a brutal past couple months, basically since the beginning of the year with all these tariffs and everything, overarching terrible market conditions, very negative market conditions, and it's been bleeding into crypto, and it's been tough. But I think that if you really pay attention and you can see through all the noise, you can see that, well, Pepe is here to stay. Pepe is really the number one meme coin, in my opinion. Maybe not by market cap, but by mind share. And the inflation rate's not bad like the other memes. It's not a pure joke. It's actually like a cult coin, if you will. And if you pay attention to where this market's headed, you believe in the 4-year cycle, then you should expect a gain on Bitcoin into the end of the year. And with that, Pepe should rally. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Follow me at 333 Black Sea on Twitter. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.